are going to harvest our lettuce and make some food with this lettuce. Okay, check this out.
Good morning everyone! How are you today? Welcome back to SMP Cheese Bali YouTube channel. You remember who I am? I am Miss Eka. I am one of the teachers in SMP Cheese Bali. What we are going to do today? We are going to make hamburger and fruit salad. Okay, first we are going to make hamburger. What you have to do? You have to prepare the materials and glue first. Okay, to keep the cleanliness, don't forget to wear the gloves. Okay, Miss Eka will wear the glove first. Okay, I already wear the gloves. Now I will show you the materials. Now I have some vegetables. This is fresh lettuce. This is very special lettuce. Why? Because this is come from our school garden. The teacher and the principal already harvest the fresh lettuce from our school garden. And this is cucumber. And I also have tomatoes. I also have bread here. You can see. And this is fresh meat. You can use chicken or beef. This is cheese. I also have mayonnaise and then sauce. If you like a spicy taste, you can use chili sauce. But here I use tomato sauce. Okay, everyone. Now I will show you how to make hamburger. First, what you have to do, you have to take bread. Take one slice of bread and then put on the plate. Okay. Next, let's spray the salt. Okay. And don't forget to spray the mayonnaise. Next, let's take the lettuce and put on the bread like this. So next, takes the cucumber and tomato. This is cucumber. I use 3 cucumbers here. And use the tomatoes also. Just put on the lettuce. After that, let's take the meat. This is fried meat. Next, the cheese. And the last, let's cover with the bread. And then, ta-da! This is hamburger. This looks so delicious and very healthy. I wish all of you can practice at home. And then next, what we are going to do, we are going to make fruit salad. Okay everyone, let's make a mixed salad. So I will make a fruit salad and mix vegetables. Before you make a salad, what you have to do, you have to prepare the fruits and the ingredients. I have the fruit, this is the grater, and I have the food. And don't forget, this is fruit. And the ingredients, I have vegetables, and then fruits. This is our fruits, have mango, watermelon, papayas, and honeydew. I also use the vegetables, have lettuce, fresh lettuce, because this is comes from our hydroponic school garden. The Cheddar and the principal already help us from our hydroponic school garden. So this is very fresh and this is very healthy. I also use this cucumber and this tomato. Okay, first, let's take the food using the spoon. We can take some watermelon. We just put on the bowl. Mango also, papayas, and then honey. Now let's take the vegetable. I will put some cucumbers here and then some tomatoes. And this lettuce, you can put like this. Put some lettuce, fresh lettuce, and put on the bowl. Okay, next, I also have here mayonnaise. Okay, let's spread the mayonnaise. And this is milk. If you like a sweety taste, you can use milk. If not, you can use milk. The last cheese. Very good cheese like this. Finish. And this is our fruit salad. Very yummy, very delicious, and very healthy. Because we use very fresh lettuce, very fresh fruit, and very fresh vegetables. Okay everyone, that's all our cooking activities today. We already made a hamburger and also a mixed salad. So I wish all of you can practice at home how to make a hamburger and mixed salad. Okay everyone, don't forget, just stay at home, don't go anywhere, and stay healthy. See you in the next video, and then bye!
Nice, very delicious and healthy food.